If your screen turns dark during calls on your iPhone 16e and there is nothing you can do, let me try to help you fix this issue. I'm gonna say it straight away. These methods that I'm about to show you may not really solve this issue, but it helped for some people. So let's get right into it. First of all, we're gonna go to settings, and in the settings we want to go to display and brightness, and here we want to turn off raise to wake. For some people this single option helped. In your case, I'm not sure if it will, but you can turn it off and then check if the issue is still there. If it is, then we can go to accessibility in settings, go to motion, and make sure that reduce motion is disabled. It is actually disabled by default, but if you have had this enabled, then now we can turn it off and then check if the issue is once again still there. If it is, the next thing that you can do is go back to the settings, and this time we're gonna go to general. Then we can scroll down and we want to go to transfer or reset iPhone. We want to select reset and then choose reset all settings. So of course this will reset every setting that we have on our phone to the default options. So you might need to do some things in order to revert some changes, of course, in order to adjust your phone to your needs. However, before you do that, just check if with all default settings and if the issue is still there. So if the issue still persists, if you still have black screen or dark screen while being on a call, even though you have reset everything, then of course we can proceed with the next steps. But if the issue is not there, then try to go through settings and adjust your settings to your needs. But do this step by step, and if possible, with every step, try to check if the issue appears or not, in order to find what could cause that issue. However, if the issue is still there, then the next thing that you can do is perform force restart of the phone. And I know maybe you have had this phone already turned off or on, etc., or you maybe restarted it, but if you didn't force restart, then I can recommend doing that. So in order to perform the force restart, we need to press volume up, volume down, and then we need to press and hold the side button with that order. So let's press these buttons. So volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button or side button, and keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. So just in a few seconds we should see, there we go, the screen is off. And once we see the Apple logo, we can release the button. There we go. And now once your device is back on, go and check if the issue appears. Now, if this issue didn't appear all the time, I mean in every case, then of course it is a little bit harder to check. But we can just give it a try and see if that solves the issue. If that didn't work as well, the next thing that you can do is, if you have a screen protector, you can remove the screen protector and clean your display. Sometimes there is a chance that there is some sort of debris, dirt, whatever, between the screen protector and the screen itself. So, or when the screen protector was being applied, some kind of debris just got between the screen and the screen protector, and this can cause, of course, this issue. So you want to make sure that the screen is clean and there is no dirt or anything like that that could cause that issue. If you have removed the screen protector and the issue is still there, then of course you can reapply a new screen protector. And also you can try to erase all content from your iPhone. You want to perform the factory reset or hard reset of your iPhone. And I know this is a little bit inconvenient because you can lose some data, therefore try to get the backup, try to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose, and then you can go once again to general in the settings, then you can scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, and then you can choose erase all content and settings. And of course, like I said, this is inconvenient, but this can also solve this issue, so you can give it a try. And that is pretty much the last thing that we can do by ourselves in order to try to solve this issue, because after that, the next step is pretty much to seek professional help. Try to get professional help, perhaps try to contact Apple support in order to find out if there is actually any solution to this issue. Of course, the latest update of the software is also important, so if you didn't update your iPhone for a while, just check if there is any update. So you can go to General, go to Software Update, and check if there is any update waiting for you. And that is pretty much everything that we can do on our own. If none of these steps help, then like I said, try to find professional help in order to try to solve this issue. And if it was helpful, leave a like and subscribe, or perhaps if you found another solution, then please share it with the comments so that others can also solve this issue. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!